B&W Engineering is a service provider for innovation and engineering. We work in the section of medical device and power tool industries. The challenge between regulatory requirements and innovation is very interesting. We have here on one hand the requirements which keeps us somehow away from big jumps in innovation, and on the other hand we have patients and we have clinical staff who wants to see innovation. The challenges we have are the time to market and also cost reduction in terms of reducing prototypes and developing more and more in digital way to produce more and more robust products, especially in the medical device industry.
The device that we are working at the moment is an intravenous infusion pump. So what it is a peristaltic pump, a compact pump that allows fluid to be delivered from the infusion bag to the patient in a steady state through a peristaltic movement, meaning the tubing is compressed from the outside and this delivers the medication or the food to the patient. Peristaltic behavior is important for medical devices because you cannot have an active component inside the fluid. It stays actually sterile. Peristaltic behavior is difficult to predict or to be simulated because it involves a fluid structure interaction simulation, which normally itself are very complicated, but in this case has an even higher degree of complication because it involves a hyperelastic material on the tubing part, on the part that's having the biggest deformations. This hyperelastic behaviors, it's hard to do an interaction between the solid part and the fluid part. So SimCenter StarSSM Plus really helped me to do these predictions. Since I have experience with actually other softwares, I was able to see that with SimCenter StarSSM Plus, I had a much easier way of getting convergence out of the simulation. This software allows also to make changes on an actually ongoing simulation when you can change some aspects of the geometry or of the mesh, and there's an interpolation being done on time, and this really helped. So there are a lot of requirements involving the development of medical devices that have to be met. Safety requirements, the simulations help you achieve this requirement faster. SimCenter StarSSM Plus really helped us to achieve these requirements. You are able to see the plots on the development of the results on real time when the simulation is running. I never had this experience before, so the support that I get out of this software is actually really good.
Digital transformation is for us really important. In the future, it will be more and more important to implement change the processes to make them more effective, because we will face a situation where we have less human resources and where we have to compensate this, and this is only possible with tools and with KI integrated in the tools.